Hi again. Here is question 40, which is about these two curves, and then we have to find the area in between them. Now it tells you what the curves are. We've got one that's a cosine function, one that's a quadratic, and we've got a picture of them here, intersecting like that. Now part A says use your calculator to find the exact value of the x coordinates of the points of intersection. So that would be that point, that point, and that point. We've got to find the x values that goes with them. Okay, if we go over to our calculator here, I've entered the two equations in as y1 and y2, and just make sure I've told that we're working in radians, which the question hasn't stated, but I assume because we have a cosine of pi x on 3 that we are working in radians. Now let's just see what that gives us a graph of. So I'm in this section here, and if we tell it to make a graph, we get this, which is not quite the same as the picture that I've got here. To get the picture we've got here, I'll tell it to use the domain that we've got here. So the third button along, those ones there, that's where you can specify the domain. So x min 0 and x max 4, x min 0 and the x max 4. Now you can see on the picture here they've got a y min of, well, if I go between minus 15 and 15, that should go for my y minimum and my maximum. So minus 15 up to 15. And we get a picture similar to the one in the question. Right, now we just got to find the points of intersection. Well, it looks like the first one's on the y-axis. Let's just do it here anyway. Analysis, G-solve, intersection. Well, I think that says x equals 0. That's a little bit tricky to read it. So here's what we've got. We've got the first one at x equal to 0. And the arrow here on the right hand side across to the next one, that's x equals 1. And again, this one x equals 3. So we've got x equals 0 and 1 and 3, and we use a calculator. So that's part A finished. I'll stop there. I'll do part B on another video.